Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will show you how to set up or how to configure TP-LINK range extender. If this one new one, you can easily set up, or if you make configure is second time or third time or old device, first time you need to reset. If new device, no need to reset. If first time, need to reset. Okay, this one reset button, make reset. If this one old device, if this one new device, first step, plug on device. You can see here, plugged, wait 30 seconds or 1 minute for completely working device. After that, you have iPhone or Android. First, open Wi-Fi option. Okay, connect this device TP-LINK. You can see here TP-LINK standard. Connect anyone 2.4G. Connected without internet. After that, on your iPhone or Android, open any browser. On iPhone, Safari or Chrome. On Android, internet browser or Chrome. I'll open internet browser. Okay, on search bar, type TP-LINK repeater.net. You can see here TP-LINK repeater.net. Make a new password. Put on any password, but don't forget this password. Okay, I'll keep here password PASSWORD. Again here PASSWORD password. Then start. Okay, scanning Wi-Fi now. You can see here scanning. Okay, then select the network which one you need to connect. Okay, I will connect this one, Mamura. Okay, after that here write on your password, like which one password, your phone number, which one password, keep it here. I will put, okay, like that. The next. Okay, again select the next one, which one, 5G from here, then keep on password again. Okay, then next. After that here you can see here the name, copy of the same name of the old router. After that, next, then save. The configuration is ready, and then you connect it on your mobile phone.